Hello again, my brilliant learners. I'm so happy you're here again, ready for another English word. Today's word is simple, small, and cozy, just like the thing it describes. Today, we're going to learn the word hut. So, what does hut mean? A hut is a small, simple building, usually made of wood or other basic materials. It's not a house or a flat. It's more basic, often found in the countryside, forests, or near the beach. People use huts for resting, hiding from the rain, or even living a quiet life. Here are 5 example sentences to help you understand and remember the word hut. We found a small hut in the mountains and stayed there overnight. The fisherman keeps his tools in a wooden hut by the river. She dreamed of living in a peaceful hut near the sea. During the storm, they ran into a hut for shelter. The jungle guide built a hut using only leaves and branches. All right, now it is time for a short story, just 10 sentences, to help you remember hut in context. Last summer, I went hiking in Scotland. The weather was fine at first, but then it started to rain heavily. I didn't have an umbrella, and I was getting soaked. Suddenly, I saw a small hut near the edge of the forest. It looked old, but the door was open, so I went inside. There was a wooden bench, a small table, and even a candle. I sat down, dried my clothes, and listened to the sound of the rain. It felt peaceful, like time had stopped. That little hut became my favorite memory from the trip. Sometimes a simple place gives the greatest comfort. So, that's the word hut, a small shelter, full of peace and quiet. Try using it this week when talking about nature, travel, or simple living. See you next time for another cozy little word. Take care and keep learning.